Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Notion to track goals. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Notion workspace using the web app, which of course I have done right here. Then on the left sidebar, go ahead and click on this pencil icon to create a new page if you want to. And let's say if you have an existing page that is empty, just go ahead and click on the existing page from the side panel. So I have an existing page in here. I don't want to create a new one. So the next thing to do is to choose a template or start from scratch. So you can either start from scratch, which we want to do right here now, or you can choose a goal tracking template. So just head over here where you have more and check if you're going to find a goal tracking template. So let's say, okay, so there's no goal tracker for that. Those are my pages. So you can head over to template in here and search for anything in your template. You can make that goal tracker, and you're going to see a wide variety of results for goal tracking. Now go ahead and choose the one that is free or that is paid for, depending on your preference. Once that has been chosen, you can use that, but I just want to start from scratch by clicking on an existing page, and I'm going to show you how to start from scratch. So on your new page, all you need to do is to type, or you can press rather, the backward slash, and in this backward slash you're going to have to type database, inline or full page, whichever one you want. And after doing that, you're going to have to add, so this step is going to serve as your goal tracker in here. So you can add different columns, which are properties to customize how you track your goals. So here's some useful columns that you can add. You can add goal name, and then category. You can add start date, you can add deadline, you can add priority, you can add progress, you can add status, and you can add notes. Just whichever one that you would want to. So it could be a table view, which is here. So I'm going to name this view as goal tracker, or I'm going to personalize it by making that my goal tracker. And here we have name, so that's your name tab. You can go ahead and edit this name to, let's say, goal name. Then here we have category. Here we have tags. You can just click on that and edit the property. So your property, yes, could be multi-select, but instead of tags, just make it category. Then over here we have option. You can add your category. That's group your goals by category. This could be personal. Then click on enter and add another category, career goals. You can add another one for fitness and punch your enter. So that's going to be that. You can go all X on this. Now go ahead and click on this plus icon to add a new property, and this property could be a date property. So go ahead and click on dates, the dates that you want to start. That's the date when you want to get working on your goals. So over here could be start date if you want that to be start date. Okay. Start date, and the date format could be full date or Monday year, however you want that to be. You can also use the time format. And once that's done, go or X on that, and then you have the start date. And you can also add another one, which could include deadline. So the deadline will definitely be a date property. So make this deadline. I'm just giving you ideas for properties. The next could be priority, and this priority would be the select property. So just make this priority, and your priority will definitely have options, which could include high, enter, medium, enter, low. Okay, and once you're done, click on enter and go all X on that. You can also add a progress bar, that's number or percentage for you to add progress bar. I don't want to bore you with all of that details, so I'm just going to leave that. I can add for status also. You can add your status, could be not started, in progress, completed. Let's just go ahead and add status to just make this whole progress tracker complete. And here is going to be select, and for select it's going to be status, and for add options we're gonna have not started. It just actually helps you stay very organized. Okay, so you have not started and you have in progress, in progress, and you have completed, which actually definitely going to help you stay on top of your goal. And then just go ahead and click on enter and go all X on that. So you can add notes. That's if you want to add notes, just go ahead and click on that and make it text, and text property, this will be your notes if you want to, and go all X on that. So like I said, it could be progress. Okay, let's just go ahead and just add progress. So for this progress, it could be number or it could be percent. Just go ahead and look for the percentage. I don't want a formula. Okay, let's just add number and make this progress. So that's it. Number formats, okay, it would just be number. Number is just fine for me. And I'm go back. So you can set short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. Okay, so you can structure a goal tracker by using short-term goals, mid-term goals, or long-term goals. And you can also add a category for a time frame. There's a time frame column to just differentiate between your long-term and your short-term goals. And how do you do that? So over here we have this table. You can just go ahead and click on that and head over to duplicate this. So once you duplicate with content, it's going to appear in the next category. So here we have my goal tracker. It could be short-term goals, and the next one could be long-term goals, and however. So let's go ahead and add a name. So add a name for your goal, then add a category for your goal, add a start date. So once you go ahead and click on the column for each, you see like this one now has a category in here which we added, and then go ahead and add your date, add the date that you want to start, and then add a deadline and add your priority. So just click on table and you see all the properties that we created. Add a low, medium, or high. Add a status, which we add here. Add notes if you want to add notes, and go ahead and click on this progress for you to add your percentage. That's the percentage for the progress of that particular goal, and just replicates the process for other goals in there. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can regularly review your goal tracker to check on progress, update the progress and status columns as you walk towards completing each goal. Set a reminder or use Notion's database filters to see which goals are approaching their deadline or need more attention. You can use a board view by clicking on this plus icon to switch between views. You can use board view to move goals from not started to completed. You can use a timeline view to see how your goals map out over the year. You can use a calendar view to track your goals based on deadlines. Now, once you complete a goal, move it to a completed goal section, and you can create a filter that only shows goals marked as completed, or archive them to reflect on your achievements. However you want that to be done, just do it as you want it. Then once you follow the steps, you have a comprehensive system in Notion to track your goals and progress. Now, I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.